Hi guys, welcome back to Network Guru. In this video, I'll be showing you how to share an NGL link on your Facebook story. So let's get started. First thing first, let's see if it's possible to share a link directly on a Facebook story. Unfortunately, with the current setup of Facebook, you can't share a link directly through Facebook stories. However, you can connect your Facebook account with Instagram and share the link through an Instagram story, which will then appear on Facebook. Here's how to do it. Open Instagram, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right of your screen, access Account Center, go to the Account Center from your profile settings, connect Facebook account. In the Account Center, select the Profile section and add your Facebook account. Make sure that you enable the option to share stories across profiles. Enable Facebook Stories sharing. Ensure that your Instagram stories are set to be shared on your Facebook account. Check the settings to confirm this. Create an Instagram story. Open Instagram and tap on the plus button at the bottom of your screen. Select the story option. Add your NGL link. Open the NGL app. Copy your link and click OK. Return to Instagram. Click on the emotion or sticker icon at the top right of your screen and select the link sticker. Paste your NGL link and click Done. Share the story. You can add photos, stickers, or any edits you want to your story. Tap on the Share or Next button. Make sure your Facebook story sharing is enabled and then click on Share. Check your Facebook story. Wait for the story to post, then visit your Facebook account. Reload the page to see your story with the NGL link. Once your story is posted, you can click on the link to visit it and ensure it works. That's it. Thanks for watching.